Hey everyone, and welcome back to ZanoList. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Zano Companion web wallet, and it's basically your gateway to the Zano ecosystem. So if you guys are ready to dive deeper into the Zano world, stick around and I'll guide you through it step by step. So first things first, let's get started by opening your Zano desktop wallet. And once it's open, make sure it's fully synced to the blockchain. As you can see, mine is currently doing it. It'll probably take about 5 minutes. So this is very important to make sure that your wallet is functioning perfectly and you don't run into any issues. Okay, now as you can see, the blockchain is now synced. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new wallet. So I'm going to go there, wallet name, I'll call it web wallet, password, I'll just set a random password, confirm the password, select the wallet location. So I'll just do web wallet, save, create wallet, and then I'll wait for that to be done. As you can see it here. Okay, so now what you want to do is click this wallet, the one that you want to connect to your browser. Click the 3 dots here, wallet options, and now you want to create a password to secure your seed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Okay, now it's going to generate your seed. And here is the seed phrase. So you want to copy it, store in a safe place, because you're going to need that again later. For this video, I'm just going to put it in a text document. Okay, once that's done, click settings here, which is bottom left. Then you want to click this option here, Zano Companion. If it doesn't work, you need to update your master password. It's a slight bug that's in the Zano desktop wallet, but it might be fixed by the time of this video. This is everything here, your secret, your port. Then you can go ahead and open up your browser. Go to downloads, scroll down to the extension, browser extension for Chrome. It doesn't matter if you have Brave like I do. Click it, make sure you go to zano.org downloads and download the official app. Click add to Brave or Chrome, add extension. As you can see, it's completed. Ideally, you want to have this pinned as well. Now to connect it, just click the app. Now you're going to enter your wallet secret phrase. I just copied and pasted it there. Then enter the password that you entered with the wallet. And that should be done. Here we go, and we're in. As you can see, we have now connected both of my wallets here, and it's simple like that. Now you can use your wallet on the Zano ecosystem.